love Halloween. Halloween decor makes me so happy. You have no idea. Like, Halloween is literally my favorite time of year. It's not just a holiday for me. It's a whole season. Y'all, it's spooky season. It's spooky season! Hi everyone, Shireen here. Welcome back to my channel. As you guys can tell, this is my favorite time of year and I wanted to share my Halloween / fall decor haul with you guys. I recently picked up a bunch of fall decor, some of which you have seen already in my background in my more recent videos, but I really wanted to just sit down and talk about everything because these things make me so happy. I'm gonna start off with what I got from Michaels. So the first thing that I got is this clear skull vase. I want to call it a vase because that's what I plan on turning it into. Let's see. Halloween glass container. Whatever. I'm planning on turning this into one of those flower skull vases, kind of similar to that one I have back here. I'll show you that in a sec. But I want to put like fake flowers into this. The only reason I haven't done it yet is because I'm not really sure what color flowers to put in there. I did get black flowers from Michaels. Let me show you guys those. So I got these black flowers from Michaels. I got 3 of them, but I didn't get them to put into this glass skull. I actually got them for the purposes of making a headband because I really want to do a Halloween look with this as an accessory. I think that would be so cute. The next 2 things that I got from Michaels are these 2 glass jars. They are just so cute. It's like a little drinking jar and they're in the shape of skulls. So cute. Like, I cannot wait to put my green smoothies into this. It's gonna look so cool. And then this one I actually got for Ollie because he loves skulls as well and black is his favorite color. So when I saw this, I was like, this has you written all over it. So now we can match. So cute. That's everything that I got from Michaels. Most of them were on sale. Actually, I think all of them were on sale for at least 30 or 40% off. Plus, Michaels always has their coupon going on. So if you just go to their website and look for their coupon, you can pull that up. Obviously, I'm a member at Michaels because I love Michaels. So if you're also like interested in getting more deals, sign up for their rewards program. It's great. So moving on to, let's do Dollar Store next. Dollar Store had a bunch of amazing things for Halloween. If you haven't checked it out yet, definitely go. They actually even had similar jars to this one for literally $1. These were originally $5. I think I got them for like $3.50, but the ones at the dollar store have like a handle on them, so kind of makes it easier to hold. So if you don't want to go to Michael's, go to the dollar store and you can get nice dupes. I didn't get them because when I found out about them, I already got these and I'm like, I really don't have the energy to go to the store, return them, blah, blah, so I'm just gonna keep what I have. So the first thing that I got from the dollar store is this little owl right here. This is a very glittery owl, and then he just looks like something that would be representing insomniac events, so I love it. His lights also turn on. Do you see that? That is just so cool to me. Like, off, on, off, on. He's spooky. The next thing that I got from the dollar store is this pumpkin right here, and guess what? On top of being sparkly, glittery, super cute, this one turns on too, which is just so freaking cool. Like, I love that these things glow up. Like, it's a whole party in this pumpkin. Literally, this pumpkin is having a silent rave, and I'm kind of offended it didn't invite me because that looks like so much fun. Next up from the dollar store, we've got this Dia de los Muertos sugar skull, and you guys have definitely seen this in my videos. It is just so cute. How can you not pick this up? Like, I love this so much. It is beautiful. Dollar store, you're killing it with the Halloween decor. I was kind of thinking of doing a Halloween makeup tutorial, kind of similar to the way that this looks, just like a really pretty, colorful, glittery sugar skull. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below if you're interested in seeing that. Can you see it? I feel like this would transfer really well onto this canvas. Y'all ain't ready for this. Oh, I'm sorry, did you just fall in love with me? Can you believe this? Oh my god. Leave me alone. Leave it to me to find the best Halloween decor. Something else I got from the dollar store is this collection of leaves. I bought a collection of leaves even though I can go outside and get free ones on the ground, but I decided to pay $1 because they're cute. So this is just a garland. I don't really know what to do with it yet, Originally, I wanted to put it like somewhere back here, just all across this area, but like, I don't know if it really matches. I feel like it's just like too much going on at that point. I don't know. If you guys have any ideas of what I should do with this, drop a comment and let me know, because I don't know. I could also maybe incorporate this into a makeup look, like a Halloween tutorial. I don't know. We'll see. But it's cute, and for $1, hey, why not? Why do I look like a Thanksgiving turkey? Like an elementary school poster of a turkey. Like, you know when they have their wings all like this and it's brown and it's on that little wall in the back of your classroom? That's me right now. I feel like there was something else I got from the dollar store and I am blanking. Oh yes, I did. The last thing I got from the dollar store is creepy cloth. It's really not that creepy, it's cloth. But I got this for the purposes of a Halloween makeup tutorial. I found a really cool picture on Pinterest that I want to recreate using this. It's just so cool. You guys are gonna have to wait and see what that looks like. So make sure you're subscribed because it's really cool. So that's everything I got from the dollar store, and the final item, the best for last, of course, my sugar skull succulent. Literally, when I saw this at Trader Joe's, I got so excited. Two of my favorite things, like sugar skulls and succulents. I love succulents, I love cacti, I love plants. It's just, oh, it's so pretty. I tweeted about this when I first saw it, and a bunch of you guys love this too and like ran out to get it. I'm so excited that we can all share this love of this beautiful Dia de los Muertos sugar skull succulent. It's just, I love it. Trader Joe's is always killing it, especially this time of year. Like all the pumpkin spice things, I love it. It's so me. Fun fact about succulents. So I don't know how familiar you guys are with succulents, but for those of you who do have them, you've probably noticed this whitish looking layer on your succulents. It turns out that's called farina, and it's basically the succulent's natural source of sunscreen. How cool is that? They literally protect themselves. That's just like mind-blowing to me. I wish I had farina. Like, I need some. You wanna give me some farina? Cause I burn so easy. I could use some. Ever since I was little, one of my goals in life was to go all out for Halloween, have like this extraordinary Halloween party. I just love dressing up for Halloween, decorating for Halloween, everything Halloween. So I'm just very excited to finally have some Halloween decor. It's just so much fun. And hopefully one day I'll be able to throw that Halloween party that I've always wanted to throw. Like, just imagine all the spooky foods you can make, and like the creepy blood punch and mummy wrapped fingers, like hot dogs. Like, oh, I have so many ideas. One day, mark my words, that will happen. And like, I want the whole house, inside and out, to be just decked out in everything creepy and Halloween. How cool would it be to have your whole house turn into a haunted house? Or just like some sort of maze. And then on Halloween, people can come like trick or treat through your house and go through the maze. Oh, y'all, my Halloween's gonna be lit. When I grow up, I'm gonna have a Halloween party and have the biggest stacked out house in Halloween stuff because I love Halloween. Anywho, so that is all for this year's Halloween decor haul. Let me know if you guys also picked up any of these items, or just what you guys picked up and from where. I always love learning more about where you guys got your Halloween stuff from. Like, it's so much fun. I know Target also has a lot of really cute stuff, especially in their dollar section. I've seen a lot of hauls of people getting stuff from Target, and those look super cute as well. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!